Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your saved data could not be downloaded in GTA 5 on PS5 or PS4. So first of all, you're going to go at the top here on the settings, gear icon. Then you're going to scroll down until you see saved data and the app in-game settings. You're going to open it. And here you will see save data PS5 and PS4. So you can choose whichever you are using. And here you will see upload or delete from console storage. You're gonna click on it. Then on delete option, you will see here all of these. And in order to delete it, you're gonna just select it. And then after that, you will be able to delete it. Now, if you have GTA 5, you will see a few more packages here in the right corner of the game, and you can just select which one you want to delete. Now, if you are using PS Plus, you will be able to upload to cloud storage here. And here you can download or delete from cloud storage your saved data if you have, of course, PlayStation Plus. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.